We teach letters and sounds in 4 parts. First, we visit what we've learned before.
Right then, everybody, what we're going to do is we're going to just remind ourselves of the sounds we've been learning recently. So I'm just going to put a sound up on here and see who can put their hand up and tell me what it is. Oh, some hands up already, brilliant. Don't shout out. Let's see, Isaac, can you tell me? Shh, well done there. Makes a shh sound. Now there's another one that's a bit similar. Let's see who can get this one. You can put their hands up, all brilliant. Let's have a look at some of the words we've already learned. Now, look carefully, sound out in your heads. You can read this one. Isaac. Well done, huh? Ow, how brilliant, well done. Let's try another one. Tricky this one, let's see.
Then we learn some new sounds and words.
Today we're doing the A sound. What sound are we doing? A. I can't hear you. A. A sound. And we have A sound with an A and an I, and A sound with an A and a Y. Now there's a rule to find out which A sound we use. The A sound with an A and an I is usually in the middle of a word. The A sound with an A and a Y is at the end of the word.
Next, we practice what we learned.
Right then, can you write pear for me? Pear. Oh, fabulous, well done. Let's have a look. Oh, good, you've got all the sounds there. Remember, one sound in each box. Have a look at this one here. Yeah?
Let's go over the rules for the A sound. The A and the A sound. What is the rule?
Sometimes it's in the middle of a word, sometimes it's in the middle of a word.
What about the A and the Y? What's the rule?
Sometimes at the end.
That's fantastic. Well done. You've remembered those rules. Well done.
Finally, we apply how you learned.
Okay, so this time I'd like you to write, I have red hair. Good. Lovely finger spaces.
I want you to write me a sentence with the A sound in. The sentence is, will it rain on Sunday? The first word is will. Then it, will it.